empty weight, that's what was added, and then gross weight.
Okay.
I just need your signature.
Okay, hold on.
You're good to go.
All right, appreciate you. Have a great day.
You too.
YouTube, what's going on, man? It's another day for me, another video for y'all. As y'all can see, I'm having some trouble with my truck. Got me pulled over right now. Man, I had a plan. So currently, this load right here that I grabbed, I am in California, Missouri, and it's going all the way to Dayton, Virginia. The problem I got is this trailer. I know it has something to do with the trailer because my truck is fine when I don't get hooked up to this trailer, but this trailer is just for some reason not allowing me to hold air in one of my airbags. I'm not a truckmatician. I'm not a truck, connoisseur, to sit here and tell you what's really going on in my truck. But I called dispatch, or I called maintenance, and they gave me, they pretty much told me to go to the Lowe's up the street, which is like 30-minute drive. So I'm gonna go over there and see what they can do. See what they, damn, man. I had a day planned today, and you know how it goes. Sometimes life, the day doesn't go the way you want it. But right now, I gotta go to the Lowe's. It's about 30 minutes away, or 30 miles away. I'm gonna get checked in by the Love's Care. Hopefully, there's not a big line, and then I'm probably gonna, depending on how long the line is, I'm probably gonna see if there's a gym, give me a little workout in, or if they don't got a gym, just gonna give me a little run in. But I told you I got a mentorship that I'm in, and they start class today. Well, I'm not gonna start class. We've been started class, but we have class today at 7 p.m. Central Time. So yeah, I got a lot I gotta do. Dang man, but just to give y'all just the mindset I had before all this BS happened to me. I literally was about to head up the street to Planet Fitness, which is in Jefferson City, Missouri. I was going to do a little workout and then try to go as far as I can before class started. Take class and then boom, get right back to it. But yeah, as you see, things don't go how you want it. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get situated. Yeah. Well, hopefully nothing goes wrong when I get to this Lowe's. Alright, so literally as soon as I started driving, as soon as I got off the video with y'all, I got to pushing it. Everything just went back to normal. So I don't know what's going on. I don't know if the truck guys are looking after me, but we back on. So what I'm currently about to do is I'm about to head to a Planet Fitness up the street. Well, it's not really up the street. It's about 20 miles. And I'm going to get a workout in because I need one. I need one for my mental sanity. So after I do that, I'm gonna drive as far as I can go before class tonight. This Lowe, like I said, it's a 900-mile drive. I'm not sure if I told y'all that, but it's a 900-mile drive. And technically, if I was to drive my full 11-hour shift, I would have about 300 miles or less to go tomorrow. So to be honest, as long as I drive minimum 5 hours today, like really 6 hours, but we'll go 5 hours. As long as I drive 5 hours today, I'll get there tomorrow. This load is not due till Monday, whatever time, but I could turn it in tomorrow if I wanted to because it's Cargill. Anybody who's delivered to Cargill knows it's a drop. So, well, my bad. Not everybody at Cargill's a drop, but for my company in general, we drop. So, yeah, roll with your boy. We can just work out in, man. Just work out in. I just wanted to show y'all what truckers might go through, but I'm not parked in front of a Planet Fitness. I'm parked next to a Lowe's. I had did my little research on the map, and y'all basically saw, but that was Lowe's that I took a right on, and yeah, I just drove. I'm parked on the side over here. And yeah, but I'm literally, they might come bother me. I can't lie. They might come bother my truck and let me know I ain't supposed to park here, but I'm gonna take me a quick. I already got my shit packed, so I'm gonna jog over there, get a quick workout, get back in. I'm gonna leave a note letting them know that I'm at the Planet Fitness if they looking for me. So yeah, let's get it rolling.
that's a wave of destruction that's easy on the eye.
How you doing?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. You need my paperwork?
Yes, but it will not get signed right now because they're not here. Shipping's not here.
Oh.
So it's up to you if you want to come back in the morning so they can sign your paperwork or...
Could I stay connected to the truck or could I stay connected?
No.
Yikes. Okay. All right, I'll bring it in the morning.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Oh, dang. Wait, I'm sorry, if I disconnect, could I grab it empty and just come back?
Yeah.
Okay, all right, I'll do that.
Do you have your paperwork signed? Make sure the seals match what you have in your truck. Thank you.
Uh-huh.
Now that's a wave of destruction that's easy on the eye.
Alright, y'all, so as y'all see, I'm parked in a parking lot. I'm by Planet Fitness, and I'm hit the Kroger tomorrow morning. Man, I can't even lie, man. Like today was a long day, but today was an amazing day at the same time. Like, hopefully y'all got the content off the glasses that I was wearing, but y'all saw me. I was like driving, and that video I was watching wasn't a video. It was a Zoom call. Just for those who may end up watching this video, you know, I'm working on being a trader. I've been working on being a trader for the last 4 years. And the reason why, you know, just for short, short conversation, but hopefully y'all can hear me, man. But like, for short conversation, you know, I've been doing trade for 4 years, and I haven't had the job schedule that would allow me to truly trade. I truly believe in it. I truly believe that I could do it only because of what I've done so far. I just haven't had any structure because I've been going on YouTube University, learning on my own, trying to just understand trading in the markets in general. But anyway, I've been telling you I'm in this mentorship, and today's mentorship was amazing. I can't even lie. Like, you know, I'm sitting there, been going through the lessons. Everything seems like I understand it to the point. There's small details that I didn't know that this dude is teaching me. But man, you know how when you learning something because you know it's gonna change your life, and you know, I don't know. Like today, I was tired. I just knew it was gonna be a long day because I knew I needed to. After today, once I made it to my destination, I knew I was gonna have some homework to do tonight. But what this dude is accomplishing for himself, it just made me feel like you know, a big old battery just hit my back. So I'm like real wired to like get some work done right now. So I'm pretty eager. Like what he told us in this class today was so phenomenal. Like I ain't listen to nothing. I listened to nothing but silence from Cargill all the way here. So y'all already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to lock in. But yeah, as y'all see, I made it to Dayton, Virginia, Cargill. I gave her that lady my BOL papers, and I dipped out. You know, I plan to, like I said, put some work in today. I want to edit this current video for you guys for Tuesday. So if y'all see this video on Tuesday, today is Sunday. Yeah, Sunday night. So again, tomorrow I plan to wake up early in the morning, hit the Planet Fitness, get a workout in, and then hit the Kroger, get some groceries. And yeah, you know, lock in for the week. But yeah, if y'all made it this far, I'm pretty sure it's a long ass video, but y'all made it this far, man. Please like, comment, subscribe. Man, come follow the journey as I become a wealthy individual. Yeah, man, I don't know what's in store for you guys, but I know what's in store for me, I'll tell you that. So, man, I ain't gonna lie, I feel amazing. So I'm gonna holler at y'all. Let me get to work. I'm gonna holler at y'all and let me get to work.